Ndị ba yo Jekome kenemun. Igbo Igbo rienu. Igbo Igbo nwono. Igbo Igbo kwezuono. Ndị ba mu bucha nka na ndị egwu bụ m ogene udu akọ mmiri. AKA ogene Africa. Abekwa ka isi abịa ọzọ. Nke a bụ egwu ogene eje egwu ka volunteer.
Hi loves, good morning from Oka. I'm vlogging from Oka, Anambra State. If you don't know, I am from Oka in Anambra State, and I traveled home for the very first time for Christmas since I got married. So expect to be seeing lots of Oka vlogs going forth. So today is going to be a busy day in my father's house. We are about to engage in a cookathon. We are making different soups this morning. I've already started, so I'm taking you guys along with me for my activities for today. So stay tuned as we cook. Over here is my sister. She's blending some crayfish. Guys, we are doing it the olden days method. My mom decided we are going to use firewood to cook today. I can't remember the last time I cooked with firewood though. So it is firewood o'clock, and that is what we are using to cook. Mom, talk to my viewers. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. They're making bitter leaf soup. We're done with the bitter leaf soup and we are scooping it out so we can go to the next soup, which is oha. Like I told you guys, it's a cookathon affair. One advantage of cooking with firewood is that it's very, very fast. When you cook with firewood, your food will just cook very fast. It doesn't take time at all, unlike when you use gas. Even if it's with the big gunner, it takes time. Guys, just look at this soup. Legodu.
Aga
obodo kolo na-eti amara ebe tanka nọkwa na-eme amara ọka sotosu nọkwa n'elu ọkwanụ ngwanụ m ihe m fụrụ n'ụlọ o mma ilu dominion gwanụ m onye m fụrụ n'ụlọ tinnara ụdọ manọ na-ayọrọ ịbara gwanụ m ihe ọ gụrụ n'ụlọ bube gị bata n'ezinụlọ di na nwunye abụrụ ụzọ ụsọ ebe nwoke na-abụrụ
Ove egusi. That's how we say it in Oka. Ove egusi. Hey.
Ano mi yam folo no no. Hey, I will tell Cherobi. Mba ilu tell Cherobi. Awalumbu atilo no no.
A few moments later.
Whew. Hi guys. We are out of the house. We are on our way to the beauty salon to go and get our nails done because we have to maintain beauty. The plan was to do all the cooking before we go and fix our nails. But we are not done with the cooking. No. We are yet to make a pot of stew, but we are done with all the soups. So we just said let's go and make our nails because we have an event tomorrow. And I'm here with my sister. Hi. I don't think you guys have ever met her. That's our last born, the baby of the house. Expect a sister tag video with her. So guys, come with me to the salon.
Much later. eventually.
Merry Christmas! I'm wishing you all a fabulous Christmas, guys. I'm so exhausted. We just finished cooking. It's been a cookathon, guys. Like you can see, it's been a cookathon. I am so exhausted, but I'm happy that we are finally done with cooking, and this is my last cooking for this year. Henceforth is jollification. Just so excited. But guys, to cook is not easy. And for someone like me that even run a food business and I'm complaining like this, I don't know. But hi guys, so how are you doing? What did you make for Christmas? So we made jollof rice, we made coconut rice, we made peppered chicken, we made salad, and we made 4 different soups. It's been a cookathon. It's been a cookathon, but I'm glad it's over. So guys, see you guys later.